Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak Mate. So hey, it is getting interesting there by Matlanga Commission, where even the likes of Julius Malema are being implicated in that Matlanga Commission. You remember very well that when General Sibia appeared at the ad hoc committee for questioning, Julius Malema was not part of that session. I think it was for like 2 days or 3 days. So I was amongst the people who was defending, or rather were defending Julius Malema, in saying that it's not like Julius Malema lives for that ad hoc committee, also lead a big political party in South Africa. So he must be excused at some point when he wants to be excused, because he has a lot in his plate. So now a lot of people are connecting the dots to say that it seems like now Julius Malema was running away from questioning General Shadrach Mkwan, like Sibiya, because now he didn't wanna he didn't wanna conflict. He didn't wanna create a conflict of interest, because now his name is being mentioned there, saying that he's a friend of this other guy called Zinqumalo, Zinqumalo Khumalo, who happens to be, again, or rather, Julius Malema happens to be a friend of General Sibiya. We didn't know about that personal relationship until it was revealed. So a lot of people now are connecting the dots that it means now Julius Malema was running away from the ad hoc committee because he didn't want to ask perhaps some questions that maybe Gerald Sibiya was going to be uncomfortable, and perhaps implicate Julius Malema in his answering, because perhaps he would feel like perhaps he was being cornered, even though Julius Malema knows that there are certain things that maybe they did together. We don't know. It's still a speculation. But we don't know. So now a lot of people are connecting dots to say, oh, okay, now we understand why Julius Malema ran away. It's not like he was being busy with his stuff. He was just running away because General Sibiya is his friend, and obviously they did some bad things together. So hey, asazi guys. So here's the video that I'm talking about, of that witness who was talking at Madlanga Commission implicating Julius Malema. So hey, kunzima.
He's a Zulu guy. He's a tall guy. Now describing him to me, he's known as Z, who stays in Sandton, who I understood to him to be Z Numano. He said Z is a close friend of Julius Malema, who is a politician, who then tends to be close to General Sibiya. So he was connecting the person that we arrested to Z, and then Z to Julius Malema, and then Julius Malema, who is friend to General Sibiya, the Deputy National Commissioner. Now he's painting a picture to me that I do not know, to now be aware that this is how the chain goes.